Maya is a talented graphic designer who loves playing video games, and her dream is to create her own. But making a game is like building a Burj Khalifa. It takes lots of small steps, and that's where project management comes in. It's like blueprint for making her dreams a reality. So now let's more into it. First, Maya. The project manager needs to break down her game concept into smaller tasks. This could involve designing characters and environments, writing a story, and coding everything to bring it to the life. So now, next came the plan. So Maya needed to figure out how long it will take to create all the game's elements, logo, characters, backgrounds, and who will do what. Who will design the logo? Who will code the character to jump? So creating a schedule ensures everything gets done on time. So here communication is the key. Maya keeps everyone informed, from the artist sketching the monster to the programmer making them jump. Of course, there will be the bumps in the road like missing monster or a jump that doesn't work. Project management is about fixing these issues, maybe changing the jump code or tweaking the monster design, and keeping everyone motivated to finish the game. So finally, after the months of planning, coding, and overcoming challenges, the game is complete. Everyone loves playing Maya's creation, and her dream becomes a reality. All thanks to power of the project manager. That is why you should need the project management course.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
So here is a quick info for you. Simplilearn's PMP training course covers core topics essential for project management professional. It includes topics such as emerging trends, new technologies and practices, and core competencies required from a project manager. With an emphasis on strategic and business knowledge, the course also highlights the role of a project manager. The PMP certification can help you land lucrative roles in IT, manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and other exciting industries. PMP certified project managers drive better project performance and are often rewarded with substantial pay raise. Hurry up, the course link in the description box below and the pinned comment. So let's get started. So what is project management? Project management is the practice of initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing the work of a team to achieve specific goals and meet specific success criteria within a specified time frame. It involves balancing scope, time, cost, and quality, constant to deliver a successful project outcome. So now let's move forward and see some importance of project management. The first one is goal achievement. Project management ensures that projects are aligned with organization goals and objectives. The second one is resource optimization. Efficient allocation and utilization of resources, including time, money, manpower, are facilitated by project management. The third one is risk management. Identification, assessment, and mitigation of risk throughout the project lifecycle are key functions of project management. The fourth one is stakeholder satisfaction. Effective communication and stakeholder management are the essential for ensuring satisfaction and support. The fifth one is quality control. Project management ensures that deliverables meet the required standards and specification. The last one is cost control. Budgeting, tracking, and controlling costs are critical aspects of project management to ensure projects stay within budget. So these are some main points why project management is important. So now let's move forward and see some project management frameworks. The first one is waterfall. So in waterfall, sequential approach within distinct phases. That is, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, closure fall under waterfall. The second one is agile. So in agile, iterative and incremental approach within a focus on flexibility and adaptability to changing requirements. The third one is Scrum, a specific agile framework emphasizing collaboration, accountability, and iterative progress. The fourth one is Kanban, visual management method emphasizing continuous delivery and workflow optimization. And the fifth one is Prince 2, structured project management methodology widely used in government and public sector. So now let's move forward and see some job, salary and certification for project management. So jobs. First one is project manager, project coordinator, scrum master, agile coach and many more are the jobs fall under project management. The salary varies depending on factors like location, experience, industry and a specific role. The average salary for project manager is 20 lakh per year in India, and in the US it is $123,000 per year. So if we talk about certification, you can explore a wide range of project management course at Simplilearn and gain the essential skills to lead successful project from beginner to advanced level. Our comprehensive courses offer practical knowledge, industry-relevant techniques, and expert guidance. So start your journey for a skilled project manager today. So now moving forward, let's see project management tools. So here are some tools for the project management. The first one is Trello. This is Kanban style project management tool. The second one is Asana. It helps in task and project management softwares. The third one is Jira. Jira helps in issue tracking and project management tool popular in agile environments. The fourth one is Microsoft Project. This is comprehensive project management software for planning, tracking and reporting. The fifth one is Basecamp. It helps in collaboration and project management tool for the teams. So project management is crucial for the successful execution of project, ensuring they are completed within the scope, on time and within budget. Various framework, tools and certification exist to support project manager in their roles, enabling them effectively manage resources, mitigate risk and deliver high quality incomes. I repeat, and deliver high quality outcomes that meet stakeholder expectation. With this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question, please comment down below. Our team of experts will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.